Okay. Why we need Unix? Okay. First thing, our data stage is installed on a server. Okay. That is a Linux server, not a Windows server. In real time, data stage will be installed on a Unix server, Unix or Linux, whatever. Okay. In Unix or Linux, whatever, there are multiple brands. Okay. Multiple companies will provide. One is Red Hat. You can write
Okay.
Red Hat Unix.
Red hat.
Yeah. In bracket, you can write RHL, RHL.
Okay.
Not, don't remove that Unix. Okay. In bracket, write down RHEL. Okay, close the bracket. And another one is AIX. AIX is a product of IBM. Okay. This is also Unix. And let me check what are the other Unix. We will basically call them as Linux flavors. Okay. Oh my God. Flavors. Okay. In Linux, there are flavors. Each flavor is coming from a different brand, but the functionality of everything is same. The mostly we will use Red Hat, RHL, or AX, and there is something called Ubuntu also. UBUNTU, UBUNTU. Okay. So yeah, there are many. When I just I just checked in ChatGPT, I got the list of 10, but these are the three main. Mostly we will use Red Hat, okay, RHL. In the real time, we will call it as RHL, okay, and then IBM AIX is from IBM. You can write IBM in the bracket. And Ubuntu, okay. Uh, okay. No, the very first thing I will tell you few commands. Okay, these are the okay. You can write down the commands like mm, so in the real time. Why when we use Linux is to create a file, to delete a file, or to read the file, to edit the file. We are going to use to search for a particular string or to search for a particular file. We are going to use Linux commands. Okay. If you want to do some edit in the Linux file also, you are going to use these commands only. Okay. Okay. First command. Let's start with cat. CAT cat.
Cat.
Command. Yeah. Cat.
Okay.
So now cat, we can use cat to read the data, to create a file, or to append the data to the existing file. Okay. Now, uh, first go to the server, go to the terminal, Linux terminal, we will see. Okay, cat space. Maybe space is not required. Cat is greater than test, greater than, greater than test, TEST test. It says, okay, click, hit enter. Command not found. Okay. Try cat,
It's small.
cat, try with space, greater than test.
Give it in small letters then.
Did you on your capitals? Many? Okay.
Yeah. Next it's screen cap.
Yeah. Now you can, yeah, now it is allowing you uh, to create a file. Okay. Now you can write it like this is my first Unix file.
Directly.
Yeah, write it. Now save it. How you are going to save? Just control C. Control C. Yeah. Now, now you need to read this file, right? Now cat space tx test. Hit enter. Where is your data? Is it in blacks or what? Ah, oh, okay. Give ls. Yeah, hit enter. Yeah, there you see that the file got saved, but somehow you are not able to read the file. I don't know. Okay, try this vi space
Correct.
vi space test. No, oh, okay. It's a shift column
Mm.
q q not u q for queen. Hit enter. Okay. Somehow we are not able to see the data here. This is just for practicing purpose. It will not. I think it. Not sure it will work properly or not. 1 second. You gave it in capital letters. Okay. Why can? Okay. Cat space. Give capital letters. We will see. Cat space. test test. I think the something is there in the black letters. Maybe we are not able to see that. Oh, okay. Okay. Anyway, so now what you need to understand is cat space test. When you want to view the data, no, nothing will be saved here. When you want to view the data, you are going to use this command. If you want to, you can with cat, you can create a file. You can view the data in the file. Okay. And if you want to append something, so you know you already wrote like this is my first Unix file, right? Now, if you want to append another line to it, you are going to use cat is you need to append the data. Okay, you don't want to edit the data, but you can append. Append is different, edit is different. Append means you are adding a new line. Edit means you are editing the existing data. You can't using cat, you cannot edit the data, but you can append the data. Okay. Now cat double greater than test. Okay. Hit enter. Yeah. Now you can write I added one line. Okay. Now control C. Okay. Now anyway you are not able to see the data. Now we will try in this way. Just we will try to count the number of lines in that file. Okay. WC space hyphen L space test. Hit. Yeah. 2 lines. See, there are 2 lines. That's what it is saying. Now the data is there, but due to the color of the screen, you are not able to see the data. Okay. Now, what you can do. So now you know how to how to do all these things. You how to create a file, how to do that. And now cat is done. Next, there is a command. There is a command called ls. Ls means you can see all the files,
List of list.
list of all the files in the directory. Okay. If you give ls, give ls now. Hit enter. Yeah. See, there is a file called test. Okay. Then can you read that readme.txt once? Cat space readme.txt. You will see something is there. You should not store anything in mailbox home. If you want to set a persistent home, which you want to about to choose a folder in store mode. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. So in Linux, there is a structure. Okay. Folder structure. Suppose where are you now? We don't know. Okay. If you go to Windows, there are if you choose one folder, within the folder there can be multiple folders, right? In the Unix, we will call it as directories. Files are present in the folder in the Windows. In the same way, files are present in the directory in Unix. Okay. In the Windows, we will call them folders. In Linux, we will call them as directories. Okay. And the next thing is um, okay. Yeah, you wrote cat command, right? PWD. PWD means present working directory. That will tell you where you are there, where are you currently. Yeah, hit enter. Yeah. Now you are in home path, home box term. What is that? Okay. And then clear everything. Clear. Okay.
Sri, can you just repeat that directory and folder you told me?
What's that? I did not hear you.
Can the directory and folder that you told now in Unix?
Yeah, now I'm going to tell you. Yeah. Now I'm going to tell you. Now we are in, okay. Now create a directory, Udayini, mkdir, make directory, space. You can write it as Udayini. Yeah, hit enter. Yeah. Now give ls -ltr,
LS?
space -ltr. Okay. LTR is not required actually. It will, okay, hit. Give ls, give just ls. Okay. See, now you are seeing the name Udayini, right? See, that is in a different color. Okay. ls space -ltr. Try now. It will list actually. Okay. Now it is in a single line down. Now it will come as a list. Yeah. This is how it will come.
It will come time order, I think,
Yeah. Now you can
based
see
on
the
time.
permissions and all. Second. And now uh, so now you prepare, now you created a directory called Udayani. Now you want to create some files in the director Udayani. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, now how you now if you even in Windows also when you create a folder, you need to go to inside that folder and you need to create some files in a similar way. And in a similar way we need to go to that folder and again you need to create a files. Now go to that folder Udayani. Can anyone tell how we need to go to that folder Udayani now?
CD.
Yeah.
CD space 1.
CD. CD means change directory.
Change directory.
CD space Udayani.
Space.
Now give PWD. PWD means present working
Present
directory.
working directory.
Hit enter. See, you are in that path, right? Okay. Yeah. So you are in the folder Udayani. Okay, very good. Now I want to create a file in the Udayani folder. Can you create a file now? Cat.
Use cat command.
Yeah, greater than. Give some file name.
Data, right? We have to give data here, right?
Just create a file. Okay. I've created already.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now I want to see if the file is there or not. How you will see? ls. Hit enter.
Yeah. In one.
Yeah. Now I want to create another directory in Udayani. Can you create another directory? Make directory
Okay.
here space. Yeah, you can create anything. Now give ls space -ltr. Now cd space output. 1 second. Yeah, if you want to go to output, how you will go now? Yeah.
Would it work?
Yes. No. Now how you will come to know where are you now?
PW.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That is one thing. Okay. Now, first I would like you to understand how you need to switch to each directory. Now, so Udayani, can you open Notepad? There is some tricky way how we need to switch the directory. Okay. Notepad.
Okay, so first time when we create, we have to give cat greater than, and for the second time when we create a file, we have to give mkdir.
Sorry, what's that?
First time when we create a file in a directory, we should give us cat greater than the file name, and for the second time, should we give mkdir?
See, now forget about everything. Do you have laptop? You have laptop, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you have desktop.
Yeah.
So I will ask you to create a file on your desktop. What you will do?
Create new folder.
I asked not a folder. I asked you to create a file,
Okay.
not folder. What you will do? You will just right click, or you will just open your notepad and you will write something and save it. That is a file. Understand the difference between a file and a folder. Okay.
Okay.
In the file there are multiple. In your folder there are multiple files.
Files. Yeah.
Folder is equal to directory. Okay.
Yeah.
Folder is equal to in Windows we will call it as folder, and in Unix we will call it as directory.
Okay.
Now, I will tell you something. Okay, write A, only just write all capitals A and hit enter. A/B/C/C///
Yeah.
No, that is underscore. Slash
Oh, okay.
B/C and hit enter. D/E/F/G D for dog /E/E/F/G /H. Hit enter. I/J/K. Okay, and hit enter. W/X/Y/Z. Okay, now and now suppose remove that A, Udayani. Remove that A, the first one. I want you to understand one thing. Okay, now I want to go to the directory C. Okay, I want to go to the directory C. Okay, Udayani, click enter. Okay, what is the command you are going to do? I want to go to the directory C. CD space you can give the whole path. Before before A you need to put it as slash. Put a slash. Even before D, before I.
Okay.
Put there also. Before D, before okay. Now see, this is how it will work. Now if you want to go to until B, what you will do? Give another no, keep it like that. Leave it. Yeah, now I want to go to B.
From C.
Yeah, from C
You
or
do
anyway.
this.
From anyway, anything is fine. Okay, now I want to go to C from B. No, it will not work, because when you give a slash, okay, when you give a slash, it will take from home path. Okay, go to Linux server, go to the terminal once, I will tell you. Okay, hit clear, give clear command. Okay, clear means it will clear the screen. Okay, now this is very important. Okay, how to switch to each directory is really important. There is a little bit tricky, but it's a very simple thing. I just want you to guys to understand it. Okay, df space -h -h. See, now you are seeing all the file systems. These are the file systems. See, /home /student /home /mbobox /user /bin /user /lib. Okay, these are the file systems that are available in your machine. Okay, now if you want to, okay, go to that notepad once, I will tell you. Write it little. So whenever these are the slash means root, it's a root. Okay, whenever you give cd space, whenever you will give slash, wherever you are, it doesn't matters. Wherever you are, it doesn't matters. Whenever you give slash, it will start searching from the beginning. Okay, Suppose you are in the B, you are in a directory B, and you gave like cd/c. It will not work because it will search for C from the beginning. Nothing, it is not there in the beginning, right?
Yeah.
So now you need to give cd space C. If you give cd space C, it will work. If you are in B, if you give cd space C, it will work. Suppose if you
Okay.
give cd/C, it will not work. It will start searching from the beginning. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. Suppose you are in the directory E. Okay, E. Okay, so I want to go to F from E. How you will go? Yeah, that's correct. Now I want to go to D. How you will go? You are in F.
Mm,
You want to, I want you to go to D. Okay. I wanted to go to the directory Z. Now I will ask randomly after 1 or 2 exercises. I will ask any of you guys randomly. I want answers. Okay. And I want to go to, I am in Z now. Okay. I want to go to Y. How you will go to Y from Z? If you give cd dot dot, that is one way. Okay.
okay.
CD, and when you give cd space dot dot, it will back one directory. Okay. And again, if you give slash dot dot, it will go back to 2 directories back. Okay. And now give if I want where are we now? Suppose you are in the directory X. Okay.
Okay.
I want you to go to Y.
Okay.
Okay. And again, you are in directory X. I want you to go to Z. Exactly. And you are in a directory D. You are in a directory D. I want you to go to G. You are in a yes, exactly. Okay. You are in a directory Y. I want you to go to Z. You are in a directory Y. I want you to go to X. What is the other way you can do?
I guess we can do.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. And I am in a directory B. I want to go to A. I am in the directory Z. I want to go to C.
Z.
Yeah, I am in Z, but I want to go to C. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Who wants to go next? Let's do a quick exercise. Kalani, you are clear what we are discussing?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me now. I am in directory F. I want to go to directory H. Tell me the answer. I am in directory F. I want to go to the directory H. There are 2 ways. You can tell any way, any one way or 2 ways. I want you to tell both the ways. I'm
Okay.
in directory F. I
Yeah.
want you to go to the H.
G/H.
Yeah. What is the other
Or
way? Correct.
yeah, we can give total path like /D/.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I am in directory H, but I want to go to Z. How you will go?
CD /W/X/Y/Z.
Okay, perfect. Is there any other way? No, there is no other.
Completely, yeah, it's completely different directory, so there is no other.
Yeah. Now, okay. Then you remove whatever you practice now. We will quickly ask few people randomly. Who else is there? Who wants to try? Sunita, you want to try?
Okay.
So I'm in directory F. I want to go to H.
CDG/H.
Okay. Good. Is there any other way?
You can go from the beginning itself. /T/E/F.
Okay, good. Gauri, you are there?
Yes, Anna.
I'm in directory X. I want to go to Z.
X, Z. /Y and /Z.
No, that will not work.
Oh, sorry, /Y and /Z.
Okay. I'm in directory H. I want to go to K.
Directory H and K. /I/J/K.
Okay. I'm in directory X. I want to go to Y.
/Y.
Okay, good. Nancy, you want to give a quick try?
Sudhir, it's /Y or just Y?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's just Y.
Just Y.
Yeah.
Was already next, right?
Yeah, correct. Nancy, you want to give a quick try?
Yeah.
I'm in directory E. I want to go to H.
F/G/H.
Do we need to put slash before F?
No.
Okay, what is the other way?
/T/E/F/G/H, the whole part.
Okay, good. And who else left? Rohit, you want to give a try? Rohit?
No.
Yeah, I'm in B. I want to go to H.
Even B and you want to go to H. So it should be like CDEFG, right? CD/.
No. Akshay, you want to give a quick try? I'm in B. I want to go to H.
Let
I'm in B. I want to go to H. Okay.
Is it like a CD/DEFGH, like D/E/? Hello?
Yeah, okay. I'm in okay, I will give you one more. I'm in F. I want to go to X. I am in F. I want to go to X.
CD/W/X.
Okay. I am in E. I want to go to H. Okay. I am in E. I want to go to H. H for horse.
CD/D/E/F/G/H.
What is the other way? I want the other way.
Uh,
I am in E, I want to go to H. There is a slash in the beginning. You need to put slash before the.
so you can write like CD/F/G/H.
Okay. 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 This is the very important thing. That is why I'm taking some time. Okay. Everyone should understand this. Who else? Lakshmi, I believe you are very well aware of it. If not, if you want to give a try, I can ask.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm in G. I want to go to Y.
Okay. CD /W/X/Y.
Okay, good. I am in E. I want to go to G.
CD /F/G.
What is the other way?
CD /D/E/F/.
Okay, perfect. Hamida,
Yes, Sudhir.
I'm in A. I want to go to H.
CD /D/E/F/G/H.
I am in E. I want to go to H.
CD F/G/H.
Okay, perfect. I think everyone covered. Okay. Now you can try Udayani in the terminal.
Okay.
Where are you now? PWD. And create another folder in the output file. In the output directory, sorry. Make directory. Make directory. File means cat or touch. Yeah, we will just practice 1 or 2 commands and we will move to the next command.
MKDIR or the name.
Oopsie. Yeah.
Yeah. So, where are you now? PWD. Okay. PWD. ls-ltr. So, ls-ltr, but why? Okay, only one directory is there. Okay.
Yeah, in output there is only one.
So go to that
output.
directory, out one. Okay. Give pwd. See, that is the whole path. Okay. Now I want you to go to the directory Udayani.
Yeah.
There is no space.
Give space.
Okay, now where are you, Udayani? Okay. What is the other way? I want you.
CD /Udayani.
Yeah, try it.
Yeah, I'm already in Udayani, so there
Copy
won't
paste
be
now.
much.
Nothing will happen. Copy
One
paste.
second.
Copy paste the path.
Oh, sorry.
It is gone. Okay. PWD. Now I want you to go to. Yeah, you can try. Don't copy the whole line. Okay. Okay. Overall, you understood, right? How it
So
works.
selecting the
Yeah. Okay. Now, we covered cat, and the one important thing is here VI editor. Okay, VI editor. VI editor we usually use to search for a string or to create a file, or to edit a file, to delete a sorry, not the file, the data. Suppose you created a file, okay? There are 10 lines of data in the file, okay? If you want to delete any one line or any one particular string or whatever the changes you want to do to a particular file, you are going to use VI editor, okay? You can create a file, you can edit a file using VI editor, okay? Now, VI space test1. 1 second. Now you are creating a file. Where this file is going to be created?
In Udayini directory.
Yes. Okay. Hit enter. Okay. Now this is how it will come. Now this is an open file. If you want to create anything to this file, you need to come into insert mode. Insert mode. If you hit an I, if you click on I symbol, it will change to insert mode. Okay. Insert, you can, yeah. Now you can write anything you want. Write something, whatever you want, you just write something. Really? Okay. Now you need to save this file. Okay. First, you need to save this file. How you are going to save it? Now you need to come out of insert mode. Okay.
Okay.
Now you are in insert mode. You need to come out of insert mode. For that, you need to click ESC. ESC. Click on ESC. Shift column. Shift column. WQ. WQ. Okay. Now, if you don't want to save this file, you don't need to use W, only Q. If you want to save this file, you need to use WQ. Hit enter. Now give ls -ltr. Okay. What is the file name? Test1, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now again vi test1. Vi space test1. Yeah, see. These are the lines. Okay. Now you want to search for a string girl. Okay. How you are going to do that? Click on slash. No, just hit slash.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now click on type girl. Hit enter. See. What are you doing?
I'm trying to enter twice.
Oh, okay. Remove that word girl, backspace. No, that will not work. If you select, click just backspace.
Okay.
Okay, ESC. Again, click on ESC. Again, hit a slash. Press slash. Type slash. Yeah. Now you just type Udayini. Hit enter. See, the cursor went to Udayini, right?
Yeah.
In real time, there are hundreds of lines in your file. Okay. You cannot search for, if you want to search for string, you just type slash and search for that, type that string and hit enter. That will, the cursor will directly go to that particular string. Okay. Now, if you want to delete the middle line, okay, you just take using arrow symbols, you just take that arrow to the line number, beginning of line number 2. Beginning of line number 2. Okay. And you just uh,
D.
two times DD, or one time also it will work, I think. Yeah, you just click on D. Yeah, it is
Yeah,
gone.
2 times. Two times.
Okay, 2 times is working. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Now you want to save this file. Or okay, you already saved right last time. You just
Yeah.
how you are going to exit from this file? I don't want to save anything. Okay. How you are going to do it?
Escape. Colon.
I tried ESC is not working.
Shift colon. You just type
Column.
shift colon Q.
Q.
Hit enter. 1 second. Again, shift colon Q. Q ampersand symbol. Ampersand and shift number 1. Shift and type 1. Shift plus 1.
Or you can give exclude.
Yeah. Hit enter. Now you haven't you changed you did some changes, but you haven't saved anything. You don't want to save anything. Okay. Now open that and even you can view this as a cat using cat also you can open it. Cat space test 1. See, it did not delete anything, right? And yeah, this is
We are getting input now, and first time we tried, we didn't get the output at that time.
that is a different file. This is a different file. Maybe there is some mess actually. Okay, leave
Here
it.
we inserted the data with the VI command, right?
Yeah.
There we inserted the data with the
It is a
cat
cat
command.
also should work, but somehow it is not working.
I think we need to use Control D for exiting the
Yeah,
file.
that is true. Exactly. I forgot it. That's my mistake. Yeah, Control D is the correct one.
For what?
So
To
earlier,
exit from the present file?
yeah, no.
Executing the
No.
saving, I guess.
I will tell you one thing. Cat space cat greater than test 3. Yeah, type something. Type something.
What should I type?
Anything. You can type Udayani is a good girl.
I already did that.
Or you can type Satish is a bad boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Control D. Control D.
Yeah. I did.
Nothing is happening. Yeah.
Okay.
Now cat space test 3. Yeah, here it is. See, Control C means if you feel something is messy, if you want to exit wherever you are, you will just need to give Control C. Control D means it will save whatever you have done. Control C you are going to use many places. This is the one place I have seen. This is the only one place where I can see the Control D we are going to use. So earlier we used Control C. That is why it did not save any file.
But we did get there is 2 lines in that file, right?
Now you are viewing different file, right? Not the one which you
Yeah,
created.
but there are some files. Maybe there are some hidden lines that maybe we won't see. Now, can you try WC space -L space test 3?
Can you repeat it?
WC means a word count, okay? Word count command.
Okay. Oh, yeah. WC space.
-L space test 3.
Icon L space 3.
Hit enter. Yeah. Why there are the 0 lines? 0 test 3. There is 1 line, right? Or you can just give WC. We will see only WC space test 3. There are 7 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. Yeah, there are 7 words. But I should give the number of lines. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Move on. So that is one thing. Now we learned about VI editor, right? It is very important. They could ask in interviews, have you worked on VI editor, and then they will ask you how you are going to do some changes in VI editor, and there are a couple of questions around VI editor. Any questions so far for VI editor or any other commands?
Yeah, so before we created file, right, test2, and we gave some data. And after that, we gave slash colon Q and exclamatory to
Yeah,
escape from that window.
yeah.
Nothing but close to window, but control C also serve the same purpose.
No, Control C will not work for VI editor.
Okay. Okay.
Control C is wherever you are, if you feel something you are doing wrong, if you
Mhm.
give Control C, you will get out of that place.
Okay.
Okay. That
Yeah.
VI, that WQ is for to save the file. To save. If you won't want to save, you need to give Q. Control C will not work in VI editor.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing I want to you to know, like in one of the recent interview, the question, one of the question they have asked is df minus h we
Yeah.
have used right now the disk free command in
Yeah.
the beginning. That one also they have asked.
What was that, Lakshmi?
I did not understand.
df. Yeah, please go ahead.
Can you repeat? DF?
It to find out the amount of free disk space in your
Okay.
file system.
Yeah. DF H.
Minus
df minus h.
H,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Minus h means it will be in a human readable format. Minus h. We have
Space.
so many.
Give space udayane before hyphen. Yeah. There are a couple of interview questions around this disk space, like how you are going to file the highest, which is consuming more space. See, if you see that slash home slash student, okay, that is 72% occupied the space, and the next file system also 72%, like that. Y is equal, okay. And also we are going to use this command to see what are the existing file systems in our server. Okay, if you want to see all the file systems on our server, these are the file systems. File systems means, yeah, you can say in simple words, paths. There are a couple of paths are there, right? These all are the file systems. And yeah.
So they to create a file inside the directory, always the command is mkdir.
Yeah, MK. So to create a
Only
directory.
Sorry, directory inside of one.
Yeah. Any place, no place, wherever you are, if you want to create a directory, you have to use that command. mkdir.
So Udayani is the folder here, right?
Yes, it's a directory.
Okay. So Udayani is a director and test1 is the file inside that.
Exactly.
Okay. So for the directory only, for Udayani only, we use mkdir.
Yeah, correct.
And for the
Create a
files, it is cat.
Yeah.
So how many ever files we create inside that, everything is like cat, the name alone will be different, right?
Yeah. You can use cat RBI. Even there is another command called touch. Okay, touch touch. That will create empty files. Okay. You can try the touch space
Touch is only to create file name. That's it, right?
Empty file.
Create, file name. That's it.
And cat is also same, right? It is also creating an empty file only, no? Oh, we can write the data directly there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for a small amount
I will
of
tell you
data,
one
we
second.
use
Yeah, I
cat.
will tell you 1 second. Hit enter. Now clear everything. Clear. Where are you now? PWD.
Then
Okay. Give PWD. There are a couple of files you just created. In which directory it is?
Udayani.
ls-ltr space -ltr. Okay. So here we are going to use the touch command for two purposes. Okay. One is to create an empty file, and the another one is to update the timestamp of the existing file. Okay. Suppose there is a file test3. Okay. When it is created 2156. If you touch test3, use the terminology touch it. Touch test3. If you touch test3, the timestamp will get updated. That is the one purpose that we are going to use it. Hit enter. ls space hyphen
ls
lt.
minus LTO.
Okay. See, test 3 is just updated.
Yeah.
What is there earlier? 2156. Now it is 2204. So you're touching it. You touched that file. So it got updated. Touch
But data
will be same.
data ఉంటుందా? Like,
You are just touching it. Okay. You're not doing anything. You just touched it. You're not editing it. So that is the one purpose we are going to use touch. In real time, people will say touch that file. Touch that file means you don't need to touch it in hand. You just type touch
Yeah,
this that when you touch it,
yeah,
timestamp will get updated. Okay.
yeah. Actually, in real time, there will be some scenarios we need to create a 0 byte file for some of the process to run. So at that time, we will, if we touch the file name, then the 0 byte file will be created. In interview also, if someone asks like how to create a 0 byte file or how to create an empty file, we can say this touch
dummy.
file.
We can also say dummy file.
Yeah, you can say, but dummy is not that. The word is not that much decent actually. Okay.
Yeah, we like in our projects we will use this touch command to create a 0 byte file.
Okay. And another thing now, you know how to create a file, how to edit a file, how to touch a file. Now I want to remove a file. Okay. I want to remove a file, the file test4. How you are going to do it? Now you are going
RM,
to use, yeah, Lakshmi, tell me.
RM,
Yeah.
RM.
RM space test4. Hit enter. Yeah. Give ls space hyphen ltr. Yeah, it is gone, right? That is one thing. Now, if you want to remove directory, okay, directory. Okay, can you remove the directory output? Did you notice one thing? The directory is in a different color and the file is in a different color. And one more thing, if you want to, if you can also notice that the directory begins with the word D. If you go to if you look at the permissions, D is there, right? It starts with it. The line starts with the D.
Yeah, DRWXR.
That RWX, they are permissions. That's a different concept. I will tell you. Okay, the D is a directory. When there is a D, it's a directory. You can understand it in your that based on color also. Sometimes if you are with the same user, it will not. It will everything will be appear in same color. Okay. Now.
So one more question, Sudhir.
Yeah.
Udayini also is a directory and output also a directory, but again difference.
In Udayini, there is another directory output.
Yeah.
Okay.
So otherwise, they both are directories only, right? So
yeah, both are. See, in Windows also, under one directory, there can be multiple subdirectories.
okay.
If you create the main directory, everything will get deleted. Okay. Now.
So there one doubt. So the test 3 is already created file, right? So again, when we touch that, how will it become a 0 byte file if it already has a date?
See, if already data, if the file is already existed, okay, it will not become a 0 byte. It will update the timestamp. That's why I told you we use touch command for two different purposes. One is to create an empty file, and another one is if the file is already existed, we will use it to update the
Okay.
timestamp. Two purposes for touch.
Okay.
Okay. And another thing is, yeah, try remove directory space output. I think RM we need to use. Okay, space that output.
Give RM minus space.
RM space hyphen R
hyphen R.
1 second. Hyphen R, hyphen capital R. Hyphen R means recursively. Okay. What it will do? It will go to the output directory and it will search what are the, is there any files or directories within that directory? Okay. If there are any files, first it will delete the files in the directory, then it will delete the main directory, delete that output directory. Okay. Space output. Yeah. Now LSF and LDR.
It's got deleted.
Yeah, it is deleted. If you want to create, you can create. Okay. That is one thing we covered. We covered these commands, and there are a couple of commands. Grep set also. Both of those are also important file commands. Okay. Okay. Can you open test 3? What is there? Can you view the data in test 3? Can you open
Yeah.
test 3? Okay. Now grep space grep grep space
Hyphen I.
what's that?
Hyphen I.
Okay, give hyphen I. Why do you want to use hyphen I, Lakshmi?
To find out that you are trying to find out the like a word, or you finding out the string. I don't know, like what you are.
No. Okay, give it space GD. Yeah, give it. No. Hyphen I space GD. Yeah, space file name. So, so the particular line is there right now. The GD. You grep is for grep means search. Okay, it will search whatever the string we need. It is going to search. Now remove that I and try now. No need to use hyphen. It came. So why we use I is suppose if you put G as a capital letter, okay. In those cases, we are going to use I. If you do, okay, I will tell you. Can you edit that GD into capital letters? Go to using VI editor. Using VI editor, edit that GD as a capital letter. Go to insert mode.
Press I.
Yeah, press
I.
then yeah.
Yeah.
Now go to take the cursor to GD. Mouse will not work. In VI editor, mouse will not work. Make it capitals. To delete, use delete button. Okay. Make it as GD. No, not good. Just type GD. Remove that good. Yeah, type GD capitals. Yeah. Now save it. Click on ESC, shift column, WQ. Now it's okay. Now search for GD. Grep space GD, small letters. No.
Give the file name.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Control C. Yeah, this is where we are going to use Kalyani. This is the place where we are going to use Control C.
Okay.
Nothing came, right? Now try with I. Grep space I space GD
No need for hyphen.
hyphen I
Hi.
space GD space test3. Hit enter. See, that is the purpose. Did you understand why we are going to use hyphen I now?
In
Yes,
case
Yeah, it
we
will check for case sensitive and it will
Yeah.
convert.
Sudhirana, in case we use capital GD,
Try it. Try it, Udayani. It's a good question. It will work because we are already using capital G. So this is how grep will work. Grep will have a lot of functionalities. Try with the hyphen n, Udayani.
Grep with J.
Grep space hyphen n space GD space GD means space test3. Hyphen n means it will give the line number. Nothing came up. Okay. Try with the n hyphen n I. Use n and I both.
Yeah.
Not underscore. Backspace space hyphen n I space GD space test3. Yeah. Now it came, right? Did you notice there is a line number 1? Did you? Now Udayani, yeah.
G small capital letter and D small letter. How can we write?
Even if when you give I, it will ignore whether it is a capital letter or small letter. It will bring it output.
Okay.
Udayani, I want you to add 1 or 2, 3 lines to that file now. I want you to show you more example. Grep is really important. It is worth to spend time on that. Okay.
Okay.
Using VI editor, add 3 more lines. No, go to end, go to end of that line. Move the cursor using cursor. Go to end of that line. Don't use mouse. Don't use mouse. Mouse will not work.
Yeah.
Again, click. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Add 2, 3 lines.
Okay.
And keep the word GD in one of the line. Add one more line. Don't use GD in this line.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, save it. Save it.
Column W2.
Okay. Now can you read that file? I want to see that file.
Data in the file?
Yeah. Now, okay. Using grep, search for the word GD now. Grep space -I -C. 1 second. -I
Mm-hmm.
Space.
C. No, just C also. No space. -IC space file name. No. Give that string GD space file name. Okay. So what happened is -C will give you how many
Count.
in how many lines
Good is existing.
the word GD is present. Okay. -C.
Okay.
Now try with -N. In place of C, try with N.
MR
N.
and
N for no.
okay. IN or NI, anything is fine.
IN.
Yeah, because Z is really important. Sorry, grep.
What if I give NI instead of IN?
Yeah, you can give.
Yeah.
These all are the options, okay. If you give grep space help, it will tell you the all. It will all up grep space help. Can you try grep space help -help? Yeah, anything is fine. Yeah, space -help. No file name. No. See, this will tell you all the options. Okay. I think it is wrong. Just try grep space help. Control C. Grep space help. Okay, leave it. Control C. There is some internal command will be there. It will tell us what are the options that are available for the particular command. Okay. Suppose grep is there, you don't know what grep will do. Okay. That will tell you what are the options that grep will do. Clear it. Clear the screen. Control C. Clear.
I did clear. It's not okay.
Now give ls-ltr.
So there is Control C for clearing the previous one.
No. If somewhere you went and you don't know what to do, just if you give Control C, the cursor will come out.
Prompt will come.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you see the data in test 3? And now, okay. Now, try with V Udayani. V. Grep space -V I space GD space test 3. See what happened now?
Okay, it doesn't have
Like,
GD, the file we are getting. I mean, the line we are getting.
yeah, correct. Inverse
What?
match. It is called inverse match.
Okay.
Inverse match. You know one thing? Now I am seeing ChatGPT and telling you here. Okay. I forgot all these options. Okay. That is why I'm just referring. I encourage you guys to use ChatGPT. It is very helpful. You know one thing, I wrote a big script using ChatGPT.
Okay.
Okay.
That
Even today, I use many times. I encourage you to use ChatGPT, use the technology. Okay. And what are the other options available? Okay. Now
L,
L, I'm not seeing what L will do here.
matching output files.
Okay, 1 second. Let's try with this first. Okay, once grep space. Uh, Start a single quote. GD pipe. Pipe means the symbol will be on above enter. There is a straight line, right? Pipe. We will call it as pipe.
yeah.
Pipe. Shift type shift and yeah, exactly. This is called pipe. Okay. GD very 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 single quote space test 3. So why nothing is came? Actually, what it refers is if it matches GD or very, it will come to the output. Okay, for somehow. Okay. Overall, what I want you is you just go to ChatGPT and just type grep. It will give you all the options. Okay. Yeah, this is all about grep. And
You
now
can
there
type
is a
grep -n. It
yeah.
will display with the number along with the line.
Okay, try it.
Yeah, we used that already.
N,
Yeah, you can try.
Yeah, previously we did with N, right? Grep and
IN, we use IN,
and
right? IN.
yeah.
The same thing, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Grep space hyphen IN. Yeah.
Then how do you use this in data state? Sorry.
So when you are reading a file using sequential file, first you need to view the data. What is the data? What is the metadata? Okay. Now you are practicing it on your Windows machine. You are creating a simply a text file and reading the data. In real time, nothing will be there. Everything will be on Unix box. You have to go to Linux and you have to open the file. Okay. That is why we are practicing these commands. You need to see what is the data existed, what is the output. That's what is that the data what you are expecting in output. That and all will be there. Okay. And I want to show you one important thing.
Head and tail to see the metadata and with the help of head record, and to see the number of records. At the end will be the tail record in a file.
One second. I want you to learn how to replace a particular string using VI editor. Okay. Usually in Notepad, you Control H, we will use Control H and we will find and we will replace, right? In Unix also, sometimes you need to replace, okay? Yeah, you replace, okay. not with VA editor, you can do it in sed. Sed it will take another. Okay, we will in the next session we are going to use we are going to learn about set. In the at that time I will tell you how your set and cut both are important commands. Set the cut and WC is important, and
Add detail.
yeah, head the tile, yeah, both of those are also important things. And
Sudhir,
yeah,
I have a doubt how to go here if I want these input and output files to be open and see the
actually
data and that.
in real time you are able to go, but in Linux for this on your machine it is not configured in that way. Okay,
Mhm. Okay.
is not configured in such a way, but in real time you are able to see. Okay, but now for the
Okay.
practice purpose we can use this terminal. And
So Sudhir, in real time, the data where will we take it from actually from the Linux or we
from the
have in the
Linux,
desktop?
from the Linux,
Yeah.
no Windows machine, no text files coming to your desktop. You are going,
So,
we have to use Linux only.
so for the sequential file, the file path we have to refer the
Linux
Linux.
path.
Okay.
And what else?
So, Sudhir,
Yeah,
we can't use this three in the data stage ETL, right?
yeah, it is
Right
not
now in
configured. It is not configured.
okay.
It is just a demo terminal, which I think which
Hmm.
has some limited functionality. Okay, just for practice
Okay.
purpose, it is enough for you.
Sure. Sure.
And I want to tell you something actually. Yeah, go to the Unix. Go to our Excel, Dini.
Okay.
Go to our Unix. We covered so far grep. Yeah, grep. Type the commands whatever we covered so far. Grep, touch, vi, cat. Next grep, vi, and touch, rm, rm space hyphen r. Yeah, make directory, yes. This capital R. Yeah, and make directory, yes. cd. Okay. Now we and then the next time we learn about we are going to learn about set command. Okay, SCD. Okay, give a green to everything except set.
Yeah.
No. Select yeah. Okay. Now go to topics. Add multi-instance framework. Yeah, framework is already there, right? These are the important concepts. Actually, I need to look at them once. It's been a long while I have used that framework. We need to create a framework. Framework means it's a process. Okay, it's a process that is going to use every time whenever we need the process. A particular business process will use that framework to process the data. Okay, that is very really important. We need to discuss about it. And also we need to cover scenarios. Okay. Mhm. Okay, I will cover those topics. Definitely, I will cover. And also, From tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss in the interview perspective also. I will randomly ask some interview questions to you, to you people. So you have to answer them. Okay. Whatever the topics we covered so far, I'm going to
Yeah.
question you. Okay. If you have to answer it. Okay. The same questions you are going to have in the interview also. I have a recording session of interviews, but I really don't want to share them because it could cause some problems. But when if we get a chance to meet personally, I may share. I may share it to you. Uh, recently I had an interview. I recorded the whole interview. Even the interview got cleared also. To whomever I am going to meet personally, I am going to share that. Okay. But what they asked is whatever we are discussing, nothing he asked. Everything whatever we discussed, those topics only he asked. Nothing else. Okay. And go to Excel. Can you go to Excel and can you explain?
Sure.
Somewhere I believe I heard this scenario in one of the interview. I think I could not answer this. I did not answer for that question.
So, for example, my name is like this, Udaini.
Okay.
In the first transformer, I am going to get like Ni, I, N, A,
Okay.
Y, A, D, Q.
So length mean okay, 1 second. 10 minus 1. So what is the length here? Oh, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Length 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay, length. Length minus 1. That's what you are doing.
Yes.
So 1 second. The stage variable will give the length now. So that length minus 1 for the first iteration. That will give length minus length 7. 7 minus 1. Right?
Yeah.
7 minus 1, 6.
Yes.
Okay, 7 minus 1. 6. Okay, open that.
Sixth letter is
1 second. See, now you have used a substring right here. Can you double click it?
this one.
Yeah, double click.
So 7 minus 1 means the last letter will not be printed, right?
Ama, copy it and paste it in Excel or somewhere. Okay. Now,
So for let me explain.
yeah,
Udaini, for example, Udaini's length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7.
7. Yeah.
7. Okay. 7.
Length is 7. So first we are doing length plus 1, 8, 8.
Okay.
So this is 8 here.
So what is the
And
output now? 1 second.
the first, okay, 8 minus first iteration. It's the first iteration, right? So 8 minus 1. So it's 7. So in the 7th means it should be I. Only I am taking only one one letter.
Second one.
I'm giving us only, I want only one letter. So the first would be I. In
One,
the
one
second
second.
iteration,
1 second. Don't run. Let me understand. Okay. Now, see, length plus 1 minus 10. Okay. Can you
not minus 10. It's the
1 second?
first iteration. Iteration is the first one.
1 second. 1 second. Duration. Can you write down the output for each length plus 1? How can you substitute the runtime value here under length? What is the length and how it is? Substitute. Suppose one record.
Wait a second.
In
Wait a second. I can do one thing. I can just copy this one and create a sub scenario, new scenario, and I can show you the same output. Can I do that? if it is okay.
Okay, do it quickly. And I just want to go to Excel once we will understand. Actually, how much time? 56. Okay. Length plus 1. What is the output? Okay. In a part, what is the output for length plus 1?
It will be 8 actually.
8.
8, right? Write down 8 under that. Write down 8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And after that,
Iteration is first iteration.
okay, 1 comma 1, right?
Yeah, 8 minus 1 comma 1.
1 second, 1 second. So 8 minus 1, okay? 8,
Mm-hmm.
1 second. 8 minus 1 means
7.
7.
Mhm.
7 comma 1. See, now you
Mm.
are using substring there. 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah.
8 minus 1 means 7, okay?
Mm-hmm.
First, you need to understand how substring will work first. Okay, write down Udayani there. 1 comma 1 means, see, first you need to understand, not you, whoever listening, this is based on a substring. Now what she's saying, 7 comma 1. Udayani, can you write 7 comma 1? 7 comma 1. 7 comma 1 is the output of this particular stage variable, okay? 7 means, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the whole length of the Udayini, and comma 1. That means from the 7th letter, it will calculate. Okay. 7 comma 1 means it will bring 7. From 7, it will count. The first character after 7 is 1, I, right? That is why it will bring output as I. Okay. In the next iteration, 8 minus, what is here now?
Length is
7.
already, yeah, length is already 8. 8 minus 2 comma 1.
Okay. 8 minus 2 means 6. 6 comma 1.
Yes.
6 comma 1 means, what is 6? N.
N.
Yeah, that's how we need to understand. Okay. Now you are getting everything in a as a single characters first, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, what you are doing next?
Actually, in the website, they said we have to do something like we have to run this in sequential mode and sorted data. I tried to do that, but I couldn't get the output like that. Yeah, here I tried to do partitioning and perform sort, and yeah, we do have a thing like no, I saw somewhere. Mm,
Sudhirana, just one quick question. Can we use a string function right to reverse this thing?
String function, it will see string, how string will work is, if there is a string ABC comma 2, it will repeat it.
Mm.
You can't do anything with that for here.
No, a right of ABC comma 2 should give us a CVA, right? Isn't that?
No, right will not work here.
If you want to check, I can try that too.
Can we check that? That's not.
Yeah, you can try.
Can you say that? What was that?
Functions, string, and then right off.
Mhm.
Basically, I suppose it should be like a right of string and length of that string.
This right?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh, and yeah, here your string input column name.
One second, we can't do it here exactly.
You'll have to put it in stage variable and then you'll have to pull it out to output.
No, that's not what I am saying. Actually, we are getting the pivoted data here. We can't use it here. Okay, wait a second. Function string left and right. Okay, what's the string here?
Your input column name.
Okay.
And then length of your input column should be there in place of length.
Exactly, we don't have length here.
No, you'll have to search that in the string functions as well.
No, okay.
I think it may not work, Rohit, but it's a good try.
Alien, yeah. And make it as integer.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that should. Yeah, that should be.
No, we didn't. We did get the same result of the name.
Okay,
Not the
we
reverse.
will do it as homework again. I will look into that scenario.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said. We are not needed to crack the scenarios right now. Okay, we can take some time. We can do some homework and we can crack it. That's how we'll learn.
Where do you
Udemy,
check
is
for
there-
scenarios?
Just in Google, I saw 1 or 2 scenarios which clicked my interest, and I tried.
Okay, nice.
Udemy, is there a possibility to create another loop and just append the data that you got now actually in the first step?
No, we
Sorry,
can't do that
concatenate.
actually. No,
No?
we can't do that. I tried that too actually, but we can't do that.
Maybe try with a different transformer and get the output.
Yeah, yeah. So that because of that, I have to use different transformer.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, we will see. Even I haven't tried this scenario. I also need to check.
No, actually, Sudhir, my doubt is this is the thing I got get saved input record where it's going to use that, where we are going to use that. That's the only thing I don't get.
Oh, get.
We are using everything like we are calling every stage variables here, and we are using every stage variables, every loop variables, but we are not using this, but we have to give this. Why? That's the only question I have.
Try to go to derivation.
This one?
No, go to derivation. Now you want the output of that particular variable, right? That loop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Add one new column.
Yeah, already we have.
Okay. Go to go to options. Go to loop variables. Yeah, there is the output. Okay. Now maybe you are able to do it now. Yeah. And Udayani, okay, try it now. You already had some homework on it. Where is that loop variable out? What is the name of the car?
New.
Only one came.
Yeah.
Maybe that is the output for that loop variable. Huh?
I don't know, but where are we using that? I don't.
1 second. Hmm.
I do know this is the most important part, but where are we gonna use that?
1 second. What is the output for that? What is the expectation? Derivation. Okay.
Actually, we are going to get it. At first, we are going to save the data here, save input record using save input record,
Okay.
and we are getting that input record
Then
using this.
first you go to YouTube and search for how to loop variable in transformer in data stage. Okay, there should,
Yeah, they are using the same thing.
and where they are using how they are calling it to the output, search there also.
Exactly same. They are using
You
the. I
already done
saw
it?
so many videos actually on this.
Oh, okay. Okay, 1 second. Even I haven't used much this loop variable. We use the loop condition in the sequence. Even I haven't used it, but you can explore it.
Hmm. Yeah, in some job scenarios,
Why did
they
you
are
remove the
saying not to use
iteration?
sequential mode.
Remove that iteration, remove that constraint in the derivation.
This one?
Below. Constraint in the derivation. Remove it.
No, this is actually for aborting. If we don't give this iteration, we will get an error.
Oh, okay. Why do you need to give it? Actually, I never tried it. But constraint means it will allow the first iteration only. That's what it means. Remove it and try. We'll see. Remove it. Click OK. Click OK. Yeah. Now try running it. I don't know after the transformer what you're doing this sort stage in the reverse pivot you're doing in transformer. Okay.
Like appending the data which we got.
Okay, check the output now.
Wait a second. Last time when I did that, I got a issue. Okay.
We made some difference. Try now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are getting only if the iteration is equal to 1, we are getting only 1, or else we are getting for every letter, every sequence, every node, we are getting the same output.
Now we are getting the expected output, right?
But yeah, not exactly, but we only need one Elijah and one reverse of that, but we are getting 6 Elijahs and 6 reverse.
Okay. Now go to transformer. Last transformer. Okay. If you put 1, it is not coming now in the constraint.
No.
Or you can put in sort stage. Wait. You can use sort stage or remove duplicate stage and remove the duplicate and apply the duplicate functionality on that column. Cancel it. Click OK. Remove the data set. Remove that. No. Keep everything as it is. Remove that data set. Go to file and grab one sort stage or remove duplicate stage. Remove duplicate stage. Yeah. Yeah. Now give one output. Use the same dataset name. Then don't give multiple names. Okay. Otherwise, your software will get corrupted.
I don't understand.
No, I'm saying you use the same dataset name always. Don't use different names. Okay. Otherwise, it will create multiple datasets and it will cause some
Yeah, I want to use that actually.
same name. Whatever you gave earlier, give the same one. Okay. Go to remove duplicate stage now. Key column. Yeah. Click on this drop down. Yeah. Yeah. Drag and drop everything. Yeah. Try now. Yeah, we are good, right?
Yeah, this is the same. We used like a constraint is equal to a constraint at the constraint also 1. At iteration is equal to 1.
Okay. Yeah.
Instead of using duplicates, we just used one constraint.
But yeah, you can try that also. But earlier you already used that constraint earlier in the first transformer.
No, not on the first transformer here.
But earlier you already tried it, right? For some reason it is not coming.
No, I didn't get the output. But the thing is, I don't understand what is this. Why are we,
Oh,
where it is, where we are going to use this.
okay.
I did get the output.
Oh, earlier also you got the output, but you have question.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Actually, you may not see the output, but somewhere the output is helping you to get the derived, to get the data derived, the logic. Why you want to see the output?
No,
You're using the
it's like,
output of it, right? You are already using that maybe you are not able to see the each iteration. What you want to see? Tell me now. First thing, what you want to see?
Actually, here we used save input record.
Okay.
And we are deriving it as num saved rows, and we are using that here actually.
Okay.
But the thing is, we are using the save input record, but we are not using get saved input record anywhere here.
Okay.
So then, how it is going to work? It's working, but how it is going to work? That's the thing I didn't get.
Okay. Even I'm not able to use my brain much now. I'm already exhausted.
So are you getting that save input record here for the loop variable? Does it work in that way? You already created that save input record, right? So this is get save input record. So you're getting that and using it here for the loop variable, right?
Oh, then, okay. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, I see.
So,
Yes, sir.
okay. Go to that Excel. After that, what you have done? Just we need to understand how she implemented it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what are the outputs?
Yeah, the output would be
Yeah.
this
Okay.
one.
For the next one, it will be 8 minus 3, comma 1. Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Same goes to up to last. And with the first transform output would be like this.
Okay.
And I did sort because in the output we may not get in the exact same way, right? We want it in
Yeah.
the exact same way.
Okay. Correct.
So I used sort data, sort function.
Okay.
I mean sort stage.
Okay.
And later in the transformer stage, I did first I did save the length of this
Okay.
for each word. For each word, for each letter, each word for Udaini, I did length, calculated the length, and I saved it using save input rows.
Okay.
And my first condition is here. The last row in group
Okay.
is the breakpoint actually for
Okay.
that. So in my name Udaini, 7 would be the last one.
Okay.
It's the breakpoint for that word.
Okay.
For every word, we have a last, right? For some letters, it would be 5 letters. Some letters would be, so it's random.
Okay.
So I gave input link name here.
First thing, how last row in group will work? Can you give an example?
Last row in group, it would take the last actually. In the name itself indicates that.
Last. Okay.
Wait a second. So in last row means here this would be the last row for that. If I
Yeah.
have another name,
Yeah, that is okay.
this is the last row.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the output it would be the length of this here we have a sequence number.
Okay.
That's going to take here the last row in group.
Okay.
And I gave if here if conditions, 3 if conditions, and the first if condition is break means if is the last one.
Okay.
Then adding word, I have used 2 final word and adding word. One is recurring one and one is the final one.
Okay.
In the first this one adding one, we are just going to add the first letter to the another letter.
Okay.
And we are here if it is the last letter,
Okay.
then we are going to add the give this is the last one to that word.
Okay. Okay. Even I did not know about this last row. Maybe I forgot. I don't know. I even forgot. Yeah, it's really good. I appreciate you for this. Okay, you can do one thing. Actually, you can export this job and send it to everyone. I will tell you. Okay, click OK. Close this job. Click export. Click on export, data space component. Yeah. Add, click on add. No, click on add. Yeah, go to jobs. This is one important functionality we need to learn, how to export and import, okay? Select that particular job. And exclude read-only items. Okay. Can check include independent items.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on that options, export to file. Yeah. No, not view, options. Okay. Desktop or wherever you want to save. Okay. Now, yeah, give some file name, the reverse scenario or whatever, or the job name. Reverse scenario.
Fine.
Open. Yeah. Export. Click export. Close. Okay, that's fine. Export complete. Okay. Close. Now you are able to see that job.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you can share it in WhatsApp. Yes,
I don't know. I don't think actually it's here in this, right?
yeah, copy and paste it to your local machine. You will see. Copy, and minimize this VMware. Go to desktop. Can you try to paste it in? Click
No,
on
you're not getting.
Control V.
No.
Control V. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. You can share it in WhatsApp or you can share it in mail.
Yeah, I will send it in WhatsApp.
See, this is how actually now in real time there is a development environment, test environment, production environment. Oh, okay. Now you developed a job and you exported the job into your machine. And now you need to log into your test environment and you need to import this job. This is called deployment. Okay, we are deploying the code now. Okay.
Yeah.
That's all. Anyway, you did a great work actually. I'm really happy. You did lot of homework for doing this scenario. Yeah, you can send it in WhatsApp. Everyone will analyze and understand. If you understand one scenario, you can relate it to many scenarios. Okay. If you understand it, you can learn a lot of things. Please, everyone, please analyze and take your time and understand it. Okay. Even I need to understand it. I have some. Yeah, if you spend some time, you can easily understand. Okay. That's all. Yeah. If anything else, is there anything else?
Yeah, no, nothing.
Yeah.
As of now, I'm good.
Yeah. Come up with another scenario also. Then great learning it actually.
Yeah, by the way, I did SCD type 2 too.
Oh, super. Yeah, I know that. I thought of look into it. You can export that job and send that as well. Everyone, you can. I don't know how you can share it from WhatsApp or not. I don't know. Try it and import it into your local machine. And then one second. If you want to import it, you just click on import. Then you go to that import option. Import it, data stage component, and you can just select the particular job and import. That will get imported. Okay. It's simple export and import. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cancel it. And if you want, you can share that CD2 also. And also that substring also you need to understand how the substring function will work.
Yeah.
Okay, it's it's 2.5 hours today. We will catch up tomorrow. Thanks, Udayani. You just shared that graph as well. Okay. If everybody come up with like this, if one scenario each, we are the superheroes in data stage. Scenarios only will make you strong.
Okay, I will send the first one here, and let's see if it is working on yours. Then
Yeah.
I will send the SED type 2.
Okay, sure. Thanks. Okay. See you guys. We'll catch up tomorrow. Thanks, Udayani.
I'm
Great work. You are the superhero.
yeah. Okay, I'm stopping the screen sharing.